Today I'm going to show you how to create a website with a GoDaddy domain step by step in a simple way that's perfect for beginners. Whether you're building a business site, a portfolio, a restaurant page, or even a personal blog, GoDaddy's website builder makes it easy to get started fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is go to the GoDaddy website builder and click Start for Free. From there, you can create an account using your email, Google account, or Facebook login. Pick the option that's easiest for you and sign in to continue. Once you're inside, GoDaddy will ask what kind of website you want to create. This part is important because it helps the builder create a more personalized layout for you. So enter your business category, like photography, restaurant, consulting, or personal blog, and then type in your website name or business name. After that, GoDaddy's Airo AI tool will start asking you a few questions about your site. This only takes a minute, but it helps generate an initial design and even creates draft text based on your answers. So instead of starting with a blank page, you already have a website structure ready to edit. Once your site loads, take a look at the editing panel on the right side and click the Theme tab. This is where you can change your global design settings like colors, fonts, and button styles. If you want a completely different look, you can swap themes at any time without losing your content, which is great if you want to experiment with different styles. Now, let's move into editing the actual page. GoDaddy builds your site using sections, so you'll see blocks like headers, about US sections, photo galleries, and more. To edit anything, just click directly on the text or image block you want to change. You can replace the text with your own wording, upload new images, and shape the page so it matches your brand. If you want to add more content, hover between sections and click the plus icon to add a new section. This is where you can insert things like contact forms, calendars, testimonials, or social media links. It's a really simple drag and build style setup that makes the process feel fast, even if you've never made a website before. Before publishing, make sure to preview your site on both desktop and mobile. This helps you check that everything looks clean, readable, and properly spaced on smaller screens too. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Publish to make your site live. If you're on the free plan, your website will use a GoDaddy subdomain, but you can always upgrade later if you want to connect a custom domain and get a more professional web address. So that's how to create a website with a GoDaddy domain in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.